So, Walter, how did you like these classes?
Um, I like this class because uh, we'll, we are learning very fast, and our our teacher is very good. He is, I think, the best teacher, and I like too much. So we
Okay,
are learning fast.
good. What about you, David? What did you like about this class?
Yeah, I like this class because it's um, um it's good, and I learn English every day, and we practice, we speak every day. Um, I feel happy to be in this class.
What is your favorite thing about the class?
My favorite thing in this class is speak. I feel comfortable with the teacher, and right now too. We talk a lot, uh, family, country, and we talk about our culture, and then we talk about a lot of religion, everything. So I'm learning greatly.
Good.